Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the January to April 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Talk about a time you complained about something but finally got a good result. You should say, what did you complain about? Who you complained to? When it happened? What was the result? And why you were satisfied with the result. So as you all can see, there are 5 questions attached to this cue card and you need to ensure that all of these 5 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that you are given to speak. Also, the key point here is to notice that the question already mentions that the result was good even though you complained about something. So don't choose a topic and just speak on something that you complained about something and that was not resolved. Okay? Because then your answer will be wrong, right? Because the question already is stating that you got a good result. So make sure that you say that the problem got resolved in the end and you were happy with the result. Alright, so let's brainstorm a few ideas together. Well, you can use any kind of ideas for a question like this, right? Maybe you complained in school about some water cooler that is not working, or maybe to your local municipal corporation to install more dustbins in your area or to clean the sewage in your area, right? And that thing got resolved. Maybe you complained to the local electricity board about some power fluctuations in your area. Or in this digital era, there are a lot of online purchases that you make often, right? So you can also talk about something like that. So these are some of the ideas that I just came up with while I was reading the question. If you do have any other ideas, please do share in the comment box below. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams, or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I am not a grumpy person and do not like to express my discontentment in general, but today I would like to speak about a time when I complained about an incorrect order that I received from Amazon. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to speak about. So grumpy means a person who keeps complaining. Discontentment means when you are unhappy with something. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, last year I had ordered a pair of sandals on the Amazon website as my cousin's wedding was approaching, and this footwear was perfectly matching with the outfit that I had purchased from a nearby store to wear on her marriage. Additionally, upon receiving the order, I found out that the size of the sandals were a size smaller than what I had ordered and was extremely disappointed. However, I immediately called the customer service agent at Amazon and filed a complaint about my wrong order and asked them to either send a replacement or refund my money back. So, as you all can see, we have answered the first 3 questions, which is what did you complain about, who you complained to, and when it happened. We still have 2 other questions remaining, which is what was the result and why you were satisfied with the result. So let's answer those. Furthermore, the Amazon representative responded promptly and arranged a next day pickup from my home for the wrong order and also put in a request for express delivery of the correct size as I had explained my situation to her that I needed the sandals urgently for an upcoming occasion. So instead of repeating the same word marriage over and over, we use some synonyms here like wedding, occasion, and you can also add all of these to your vocabulary list. Alright, so let's continue. Finally, I received the appropriate footwear before the wedding and was highly satisfied and pleased with the exceptional customer service that was provided by the Amazon team and would definitely recommend them. So we used some synonyms here for sandals also. We used pair of shoes, footwear, right? Instead of repeating the word sandals over and over again. So all these will increase our band scores for our lexical resources part. Also, we clearly explained what the result was after complaining, and also that we were quite happy with that result, right? Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.